Welcome back to another Tile Mart episode. Hi, I'm Julee Ireland, your interior design host and the founder of Home Renovation School. In today's episode of This or That, we're diving into a hot topic in the world of home interior design: natural stone versus porcelain tiles. We'll compare these two popular materials across various applications, walls, floors, and countertops, to help you decide what'll be the best fit for your next project. First, let's compare two important factors: durability and maintenance. Natural stone is known for its durability, and it brings a unique texture and a rich palette of colors. If you've ever visited Europe, its durability is evidenced by the centuries-old cobblestone streets, buildings, and churches. However, it requires regular sealing to protect against stains, especially in areas like kitchens and baths. Porcelain tile, on the other hand, was first invented by the Chinese. What has made it become an industry leader is its extreme durability and resistance to scratching. It's also easier to maintain than natural stone. It doesn't require sealing, and it's less susceptible to water damage, making it ideal for heavy traffic areas, busy families, and wet areas such as baths and outdoor spaces. Let's discuss aesthetic and variation between porcelain and stone. With natural stone, each piece of stone tile is unique, which can create stunning, one-of-a-kind looks. The natural variations in color and pattern add character and depth to any space, which is what makes natural stone so highly desirable. Natural stone is simply timeless, elegant, and luxurious in every way. The beauty of porcelain tiles is that they offer a more uniform appearance and can mimic the realistic look of natural stone, wood, and other materials. The consistency in pattern and color is perfect for creating a cohesive look across larger spaces, and porcelain tiles are fired at a higher temperature, giving them strength for heavy traffic areas in your home or commercial space. Lastly, let's talk about budget and compare installation and material cost. Natural stone is generally more expensive because it's cut out of mountains, and it goes through a rigorous set of steps to manufacture before it ends up on a shelf. It's also more complex to install due to its weight and the need for customization when it comes to cutting and laying. Typically, porcelain is less costly than natural stone and much easier to install. Porcelain tiles are man-made in a factory, making them precise and uniform in size and thickness, reducing the installation time and complexity all the way around. They're simply easier for an installer to work with, unless you get into large format tiles, which become heavier and more labor-intensive to work with. To dive a little deeper into natural stone, let's talk to Gary Talwar, the Vice President of Natural Stone Resources, our newest vendor at Tile Mart, to share his insights into what consumers like you should know about natural stone and its benefits. Thanks for joining us, Gary. You know I am a big fan of Natural Stone Resources. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the pros and cons between stone and porcelain tile.
So I think my answer is a little bit skewed because all we do is natural stone, but I'll give it to you anyways.
Okay.
Natural stone has this beauty element that really can't be mimicked by porcelain. The porcelain technology continues to get better to get close to stone, but you can't take a piece of art from earth and replicate it in porcelain. And it always comes back around. You know, a lot of the stones have been around for hundreds of years, and they may not be popular for a few years, but they end up coming back around. And porcelain, it may or may not come back around.
Yeah, I think, there's nothing better than natural stone, right? Getting that real old world feel in your home. Like, there's just nothing like it. At Tile Mart, we're dedicated to helping you find the perfect materials that meet your design needs and lifestyle, ensuring every space you create is both beautiful and functional for years to come. For more design insights and tips, remember to like, follow, and subscribe below. And thanks for watching. Keep creating beautiful spaces with us. See you next time. Bye.